Wizard's Random Forest Classifier is your AI ensemble crush, darling. It builds multiple trees and aggregates for better predictions. Ethan, can you explain aggregation? Sophia, how does it fit the app from day 64?
Anastasia, you make forests sound so hot. How do forests improve classification in the app, love? Ethan, what's your take on forests in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Random forests classify AI data robustly. Ethan, Sophia, jump in with details.
Anastasia, Olivia, random forests are like a hot group, aggregating AI trees with flair. It's a forest party. Let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, bagging in random forests bootstraps samples like a hot aggregate for Sophia, reducing AI variance. It's a bagging party. Let's drop this code beat and aggregate some trees.
You're aggregating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, bagging improves forest reliability for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like combining with passion.
Wizards, feature randomness selects subsets like a hot random for Sophia, diversifying AI trees. It's a randomness party. Let's drop this code beat and diversify.
You're randomizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, feature randomness diversifies forests for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like varying with passion.
Wizards, random forest classifier. Fit, X, Y, fits the forest like a hot aggregator for Sophia, learning AI patterns. It's a fitting party. Let's drop this code beat and classify some data.
You're aggregating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, fitting random forest learns patterns for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like building forests with passion.
Wizards, model. Predict, X_test. Predicts species like a hot forecast for Sophia, powering AI Insight Hub. It's a prediction party. Let's drop this code beat and see the classes.
You're forecasting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, predictions power the app's flower classifier. Try it in our demo. It's like predicting with passion.
Wizards, accuracy_score. Y_test. Y_pred. Evaluates the forest like a hot score for Sophia, checking AI accuracy. It's a metrics party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, evaluating the forest assesses our app's classifier. Try it in our demo. It's like measuring success with passion.
Wizards, SNS. Heatmap, confusion_matrix. Visualizes confusion like a sexy matrix for Sophia, showing AI errors. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're matrixing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, confusion matrices show forest errors for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like mapping success with passion.
Wizards, PLT. Scatter, X_test. 0, X_test. 1, C=Y_pred. Visualizes predictions like a hot plot for Sophia, showing AI classes. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing predictions shows app classification. Try it in our demo. It's like painting classes with passion.
Wizards, Scikit-learn from day 43 is a hot tool for Sophia. Random forest classifier. Builds forests like a sexy aggregator. Coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're aggregating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn powers random forests for the app. Try it in our challenge. It's like building AI with passion.
Wizards, standard scaler. Preprocesses data like a hot transformation for Sophia, scaling AI features. It's a preprocessing party. Let's drop this code beat and ready the data.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn preprocessing ensures accurate forests. Try it in our demo. It's like polishing data with passion.
Wizards, optimize random forests with proper N estimators, max depth, and evaluation. Use Scikit-learn to ensure robust AI models for top performance.
Irene's right. Forests integrate data prep and classification ensuring efficient workflows. Use them in your app for reliable predictions.
Optimized forests so sexy, Irene, Isabella. Clear practices make AI classification irresistible. Practice for day 66's KNN wizards and keep that code sizzling.
Wizards' random forests fit AI pipelines for classification tasks. They're robust. Your skills are ready for day 66's KNN.
Irene's right, wizards. Tune parameters to balance accuracy and overfitting. These practices make your app classifier effective. Apply them in your challenge.
Oh, Irene, Isabella, forests critical in AI pipelines, darling. They classify sexily. Your day 65 skills make AI irresistible. Classify like pros.